Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to give yourself some faux freckles for the springtime. It's honestly super easy. You need like 3 products and like 1 brush. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to learn how to give yourself some faux freckles for the springtime, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and did my foundation, my brows, my eyelashes, and now we're going into more of like the face stuff. So first I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face real quick because I feel like my foundation has like set a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set my face. And I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Warm Caramel Bronzer. And this is the shade right here. My sister got a hold of it, so the top's missing. But yeah, this is the bronzer I'm going to be using. Okay, so if you contour your nose, you're gonna go ahead and do this before you put on the freckles. So go ahead and bronze up your nose and do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and just bathe the side of my nose. And we're not gonna go in with blush yet because I feel like if I go over my freckles with blush, it'll make them look more like realistic, you know? Instead of having the blushes like kind of sit on top. I mean, underneath. Okay, I'm gonna wipe over the fake real quick. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in closer so you guys can see like what I'm doing. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you guys can see how I am doing the freckles. So you're gonna need about 3 different shades of brown. So for one, I'm gonna be using the bronzer that I just used on my face. I'm going to use this Anastasia, oh my gosh, this brow. My Anastasia Brow Duo. Lord Jesus, help me. And then I'm gonna be using this brown from this palette. Okay, so I'm gonna start off using the lightest shade, which is my bronzer, and I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner pencil, but I'm gonna actually wet it real quick just to make the point, like the bristles a little bit thinner and make them like come together. I'm kind of twisting them. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my bronzer color, and I'm just gonna start. They're really light, but I feel like the lighter you start, it's easier to see where you're gonna go in with the darker ones. I think my exposure is too light. Let me turn it down. It's gonna look pretty dark, but I hope you guys can see what I am doing. Okay, so I'm starting on my cheeks, and I'm just lightly making dots. And the cool thing about using your bronzer for this first is it fades into your actual bronzer, so it looks more natural. Okay, so first I do my cheeks, and then I start going up and into my nose. I can't really see too many right now because I bronze up my nose a lot, but I don't like to do too many on my nose because I feel like they can look like blackheads. So I'm gonna do a few on my forehead. And if they're too harsh, don't worry, it's okay. You're gonna go back and blend them out some more. Now I'm gonna go into this darker brown right here, and I'm just gonna put a few just to add some like dimension. Because not all freckles are the same color. Now that I have a few, I'm gonna go in with my brow powder now, and I'm just going to put a few. I feel like the more tones you have of brown, it'll make them look more natural. And this color right here is more of like an ash brown. You can add some on your chin too. I'm gonna go ahead and put a few because I have them right there, so it's gonna help hide it. Now that I have a lot on my face, now I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty sponge. I'm just gonna dampen it real quick. Go in with some loose powder, just like super minimal, like you don't need a lot. And then even like scrape some off if you have too much. And then you're just gonna press into them. See how they already look more natural than they do on the side? And you have to be careful when you press because you don't want to like smear them. And the reason I go in with powder is because if you just go in with a damp sponge, it's gonna remove your makeup. So versus if your sponge is damp with powder, kind of pressing them in and lining them. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm just using my Too Faced Love Blush. And I feel like this really helps the freckles look more natural because it looks like your freckles are peeking through your makeup instead of them looking like actually drawn on. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna change the exposure real quick so you guys can actually see them. Okay, so do you see how they're like peeking through my makeup? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with highlight. I'm gonna use the MAC highlighter in the shade Oh Darling. And I'm gonna rub my face. Whew, that feels so good. And I'm just going in with a little bit of highlight. And the exposure looks super bright because of the exposure, but it's not that bright. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to give yourself some freckles. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.